Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Chrome DevTools and immediately inspecting the page. Press Ctrl plus Shift plus I or F12, or right-click an element and choose Inspect. Once DevTools is open, focus on the Elements panel to see the DOM and styles. This lets you change HTML and CSS live. Make sure to use the element picker to select items visually. As you edit, watch layout and computed styles update in real time so you know why a change affects the page. Next, combine console, sources, and network to diagnose behavior. Use the console to run commands and inspect logged objects. This reveals runtime values quickly. Then open sources, set breakpoints, and step through code to observe variable changes and call stacks. This is how you find logic bugs. Once done, switch to network to replay requests, check response status, and measure load timing. Filtering by XHR or JS helps isolate resources. Make sure to preserve log or disable cache when testing. To finish, profile and apply fixes. Record a performance trace to see paint, layout, and scripting hotspots. This shows where to optimize. Use the application panel to check local storage, cookies, and service workers. Clearing or unregistering can resolve persistent issues. After making edits, hard reload and test across viewports with device mode. If something goes wrong, try disabling extensions and clearing cache. This often resolves inconsistent behavior. Once stable, copy changed CSS or JS into your source and commit.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.